On average, a computer user opens 20 to 30 websites in a single browsing session. There is nothing wrong with opening unlimited websites at a single browsing session, but there are times when certain websites fail to open. While browsing the web, we often came across a site that does not load or opens in any web browser. These things happen due to several reasons, like the site might have server issues, expired domain, redirect errors, host errors, etc. Whatever might be this reason, if a particular website is not opening on your computer, then there are few workarounds that you need to do, as there could be multiple reasons why you are not able to open any particular website. We have shared some general methods to fix the website related problems on a computer. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel TechLogic Tariq and press bell icon for latest notifications. So let's check out the list of best troubleshooting methods to try when you are unable to open or display any particular websites or web pages. First, we discuss content issue. The site that you are about to visit might have been blocked by the government or for the creation and spreading of illegal or censored content. This merely happens with many of the websites every year, and this could not be solved at all. Although VPN and proxies can bypass the block, we never recommend the use of VPN to bypass websites that are blocked by the authorities. Some solution is here. You can get past such restrictions using various proxy servers, virtual private network, the Onion router. Second issue would be server misbehaving. Website use hosting to save their important data on storage and present it on the internet. This is all done by the servers for that host. If there comes any issues with the servers, then nothing could be done to solve the issue with the website, leading as only the server owners on the companies could solve the issues. There can be multiple reasons a server might run out of servers, like power outage, a DDoS attack, or hardware issue. In the case of data centers, chance of a power outage are very less, as they have different backup options. So in such situations, you need to wait until the website owner fixes the problem. Number third, web browser faults. If your friend is able to visit the site but you can't, then you can blame it all to the web browser. This thing mostly happens due to the cache, cookies, or the certificate errors of the browser. In such a scenario, you need to reset or reinstall the web browser. You can read our article how to fix not enough memory to open this page error on Chrome to fix Chrome issues. You can also use other web browser to check whether the problem is with the web browser or not. Number 4 is computer issue. If you are able to visit the website from other devices like smartphones or tablets, computer software like the firewall, antivirus software might be blocking the website. To solve the issue, you could disable the firewall on your computer and also disable the antivirus software. Number 5 is maybe router defects. Sometimes router problems also leads to unnecessary errors like websites not opening. The problem relies on the DNS servers that the router is using. So you need to change the DNS server address and restart the router to fix some websites not opening on browser problem. Number 5 is flush DNS cache. Some Windows 10 users have claimed that they have fixed some websites not loading in browsing error by flushing the DNS cache. So in this step, you need to flush the DNS cache to fix website not loading error message. To flush the DNS cache, right-click on the Windows key and select command prompt with admin rights. On the command prompt window, type in the ipconfig space /flush DNS FLUSH DNS ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter button. Once done, restart your PC to fix the problem. Number 6 is use different DNS. Every website you search on the internet is resolved using the DNS server. Sometimes few websites don't load when the DNS server fails to get the exact response from your browser, or the DNS servers are not working correctly due to faults. You could try to switch to another DNS server. There are lots of servers available for the public like Google Public DNS and OpenDNS etc. Number 7 is disable network adapters. Desktop computers and laptops now have both wired and wireless network cards to connect with the internet. These two cards are meant to operate seamlessly, but they create lots of problems, including websites not opening. Lots of Windows 10 users on Microsoft forums have claimed that they have fixed the website not opening problem by disabling the unused network adapters. To disable network adapter, open Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings. They disable all adapters except the connected one. So these are the some of the best methods that would help you to fix some website not loading, opening in any web browser. I hope this video helped you. Share it with your friends as well. Thank you.